So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So this video is about catalog item component. So I will show you how you can configure catalog item component in Workspace. So user can submit their catalog item and the record producer from the Workspace rather than the service portal. So uh, this is my workspace, and for just demonstration purpose I have created a one page, and in this page I will show you how you can add and configure. So here you just need to type catalog item. So this is the component, just add it. Once it add it, and the configuration you need to pass this id requested for. So these are the mandatory things. So request id, so for demo purpose I will make it hard code for now, but you can make it dynamically according to your requirement or anything. So let's go to record producer and let's search create. For this demo I'm using a record producer. So this will basically create an incident. So I will use this. mm, let's copy this id. It's a bit slow. Control C, go back, Control V. Here you need to pass the requested for. Okay, so right now I'm just binding it with the session. To go here and sys ID. It's done. Refer. Okay, and we will leave everything as it is. This is the main part here, which can break your submit functionality. So if let's save it for now. Okay, and let's go back here and let's see our catalog item is getting visible or not. So yeah, it's coming. If I try to submit it, it will not work. Why? I will show you. So you need to add the event as well. Okay, like what will happen after submitting. So here there is a event that request generated. So this is the one you need to configure. And here what I will do, I will, like, whenever user will submit this catalog item, it should redirect to a that record which is created in the backend. Okay, so what I will do, I will open a page, and here what I will do, page in the current experience. So we already have another page, record page. Here we need to pass table and sysid. So if I come here, so from the event payload, these three things, yeah, you can access: number, sysid, and table. So basically, like, whenever your catalog item will be submit, so let's say your catalog item is creating, basically record producer is creating incident record. So in the table you will get a incident, and the sysid you will get the record sysid, which is generated by the after submitting the record producer. Okay, so we need to bind this thing with our page, which will show the generated record. This is id, we have to add this id. Yeah, that's it. Other we will leave as it is and add. Okay, this is done. Like, whenever we will submit, we will redirect to this page. Still there is one more major thing which we need to add: mode. If I just save it and I will try to do submit the record producer, still it will not work. I can show you that as well without adding anything in the mode. Let's, and if I will submit it, you can see it's not working still. So here, so what you need to add, you need to add stand alone. Once you pass this, yeah, it's done. Let's save. Let's check it. medium testing, submit. See, it's redirect to the record page, and see, this is the generated incident from the record producer. See, this is the description. See, so this is how you can configure your catalog item in the workspace. Thank you.